Hi folks, it's Teresa from Stringfield Ridge Farm. Some people know me as Nana. I have been asked to do a tour of Stringfield Ridge Farm. And the person who asked me to do this video has missed being able to come here for a little while and would like to see the animals and everything here. First thing I'm going to show you is around our farm. I'm going to show you our animals, and right now I have some chickens that want to be on the porch, so we're going to show those. So here you go. Here's what happens at Stringfield Ridge Farm when we let the chickens out to free range. They want to be up by the porch all the time. And this little fella here, see, there's the big rooster and there's the little rooster. He is a little banty rooster that likes to attack people. And he chased my granddaughter Jonna all over the farm the other day. He usually likes to chase me, but he don't want nothing to do with me today. But anyway, there's some of the chickens. And his name, my granddaughter named him Hee Hee. The bigger rooster over there, his name is Elvis. And if I can get close enough, I'll show you why his name is Elvis. He has big black sideburns that makes him look like Elvis. I'm going to try to zoom in. I don't know if you'll be able to see those, but he has big black sideburns, so we named him Elvis. And this is one of the new little chickens beside him. We don't know what she is. Somebody dropped her off. And some of these others are ISOs. Don't have any names. I call most all of them Bertha. So they're all named Bertha. Now there comes a Sapphire Gem. And we'll go back up here and see the other chickens that are over here with Hee Hee. These are Buff Orpingtons. And then we've got some that are mixed with Rhode Island Reds. I think they are Buff and Rhode Island Red kind of mixed because we hatch out our own eggs. And I'm going to show you that too. Here is the incubator that I have going in the house, and I have more chicks fixing to hatch out in here. And I'll show you how that goes. We have eggs in there. Chicken eggs and quail eggs. All ready to be hatched out. So we will have new baby chickens and baby quail in about 15 days. This pretty calico cat right here has just had kittens. And I don't know where she's got them hid right now, but we can tell she just had her kittens. And right now she has them in hiding and we can't find them. But soon she'll bring them out and let us see. This black cat is the one that comes in the house a lot. She likes to come in the house and play with our little black puppy dog. And she will bat his balls around and his toys and pack his toys around. But she's an outside cat. She just likes to come in every once in a while. And when she does, she will play with Fancy Pants. Can't get her to look this way. There she is. And there's Sky. Sky is a lazy guard dog. Sky is a lazy guard dog, aren't you? And here's the quail. These are the older quail. That is a jumbo white quail. And look, they have some eggs ready. That gives me more eggs to put in the incubator. Let's see how many eggs they got. Oh, there we go. 4 eggs. Now here's the younger quail. These are mixed breeds. There's one that looks like the white jumbo, and then the rest of them have different looks. They are more cortinecks, but they have different looks because they are mixed. And these are ones that I got out of my incubator. Let's see if we can get a good look at them. There's 8 of these. Like I said, these are some that I hatched out of my incubator last year. Cut that out. Let's see. They don't have any eggs because I already got their eggs. They had 4 eggs for me this morning. I already got those out. And there's Miss Fancy Pants. Look here. There's Miss Fancy Pants. She's a trick dog. She can walk on her back feet all the way through the hall. Here we go again. She likes to dance. Do you like to dance, Fancy Pants? Yep, Fancy Pants likes to dance. And there's the weirdest animal of all. It's called a pawpaw. That's the weirdest animal on the farm.
This is my big boy. I just threw him a little bit of grain out here on the ground just for fun, to get him to come up here for a minute. I usually got a bucket out here I feed him in. Anyhow, that's my good old boy right there. I'm about 20 years old. That's my horse.
We're going on a picnic. We're fixing to have a picnic. If you were here, you could join us in our picnic. So hopefully, sometime soon, you'll get to come visit Stringfield Ridge Farm and have a picnic with us. Jonna, what do you have for picnic?
I had a sandwich and chips and jerky.
Who made that jerky?
Papa.
Sonny, what do you have for your picnic?
I have an apple and grape juice and chips and an apple.